Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm an aromatherapist and I love sharing about essential oils and how to use them. And today we're going to be talking about Balsam Fir Essential Oil. I'll talk about ways to use this, how this oil works, and things to remember when using this oil. Balsam Fir Essential Oil is one of my favorites to use in wintertime because it helps break up colds. It has a really nice pine scent that I really like. You can diffuse it or use it in a steam, which means you get a bowl of hot water, put just one drop of balsam fir in, breathe it in, and you'll really find that your mucus starts to break down to help relieve those cold symptoms. This oil is one of my favorites for joint pain. I make a blend for my mom because she's starting to get arthritis in her hands. She loves to play the piano, and so this blend helps soothe her painful hands when she's playing so she can keep doing what she loves. And I will post a link for a recipe for joint pain relief using this oil in the description box. Balsam Fir Essential Oil is really good at killing germs out of the air, so I like to diffuse it when I'm having people over and I'm worried about the spread of germs. So during Christmas time, this has a really nice pine scent that is very good for Christmas time, but it will also help protect you from spreading colds and other illnesses. Balsam Fir Essential Oil is also really good at killing odors. So if you have a gym bag or maybe some stinky running shoes, this oil is a good one to create a spray with by adding just a few drops in a spray bottle, filling it with water, shaking and spraying, and it'll help defeat that stink in your gym bag or shoes or whatever stinky. Another way to use balsam fir is to diffuse it. Its aroma is really good at fighting fatigue and creating alertness. So if you have a long car ride home, this oil will help pick you up and get you where you need to go. This essential oil smells like freshly crushed pine needles. It blends really well with cedarwood, lemon, lavender, peppermint, and orange essential oils. You can find more info on ideas to use this oil and oils it blends well with in our blog, which we'll put a link in the description box. The reason that we know balsam fir is so good at what it does is its main ingredient is alpha-beta pinene. Alpha-beta pinene is known for being good at helping you expectorate, relieving pain, and more, which you can find out on our blog, link in the description box below. One of the reasons I love this oil so much is because it smells like pine. It's a good one to use for a guy because the scent is kind of manly. Gaston's favorite from Beauty and the Beast because he's especially good at expectorating. Here's what you should keep in mind when using balsam fir essential oil. It's generally non-skin irritating, but we always recommend that you dilute it before using it on your skin. This essential oil is kid safe. You can use it with kids ages 2 and up. If you're thinking about using this around your cat or dog, we recommend against doing that, especially if you're going to be using it on their fur or a place that could come into contact with their skin because it is poisonous to cats and dogs if ingested. Some of my favorite recipes using this oil is our balsam fir and cassia candle, a joint pain roll-on, and our fall diffuser blend. To get these recipes, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on videos like this one.